A modern evolution of the classic rectangular fire table, RAIO brings together a crisp form with subtly rounded contours, offering a contemporary design that feels both architectural and welcoming. Its elongated silhouette naturally complements longer seating arrangements, perfect alongside sofas, banquettes, or linear sectionals. With generous surface area running the full length of the feature, RAIO serves as both a striking centerpiece and a practical tabletop for drinks, small plates, or ambient accessories. Available in multiple lengths and an array of finish options, it effortlessly adapts to patios, courtyards, and rooftops of all sizes. Whether aglow with fire or quietly sculptural by day, RAIO is designed to anchor meaningful outdoor moments.